Hello guys. If you want to watch this sports, follow the link in the description below. Hello guys. If you want to watch this sports, follow the link in the description below. Hello guys. If you want to watch this sports, follow the link in the description below. Hello guys. If you want to watch this sports, follow the link in the description below. Hello guys. If you want to watch this sports, follow the link in the description below. Hello guys. If you want to watch this sports, follow the link in the description below. Hello guys. If you want to watch this sports, follow the link in the description below.
Mas eu vou vir mais, a gente combinou já. Ele tava no tempo. A mão dele tava virada pra ele. Isso aqui, ó. Só cuida que ele não fecha a bolsa dele. Vai catar ele, vai catar. O tempo tá certo, tá na frente dele. Ela vem pra gente. Se eu faço isso aqui, aí fica difícil de eu manter, né? Só se eu entrar bem, vai pegar, tá? Legal. Vambora. Se indicação dos coisas lá, tá? Isso aqui, vambora.
It's another belter, but there's a way out here. Oh, yes, there is. Oh, the camera nearly got that one. This is going to require the utmost skills. And look at that. Rogers is off one hand in the end, having to go for the ball. And then Russell gets the USA out of trouble. Good up. That's a fantastic dig from Christensen. Oh, Lucarelli wasn't sure if it was going in or out. That one's off the shoulder of Tales. This is crazy volleyball. Brilliant. Just brilliant. Lucarelli on the taxi. Tales off the shoulder. And then Russell. Cross-court bumper. Oh, well done, Souza. USA come again, 4 options. Alex Anderson finds that corner.
Mixer, Dorn tracks it down. McKenna tries to play it back inside the 18.
And Maryland surprised a bit from that short corner. They weren't prepared for it.
Murphy lifts one towards Stanley. Pines is there to win that one out of the air once again. Daniel Wright has a try from distance. That one skids, looks like off the forehead of Dane St. Clair. Rain all day here in Durham, and you wonder if the slick turf got the best of the redshirt junior there for just a second.
Yeah, he's grimacing a bit there, but watch this ball. Bounces right in front of him, takes an awkward hop, catches him right in the face, off the forehead there. That ball could have gone in the back of the net very easily, but Dane St. Clair, he's going to get credited with the save, but early signs from Duke putting some pressure on Maryland here.
Top 10 in the U.S. in shutouts this year with 9 for St. Clair, as Frick clears that one away, matches the number he had a year ago. And that'll certainly have him involved in the game.
That gets you going, right? That gets you going as a goalkeeper. Sometimes it's a while before you test anything, and all of a sudden you take one off the face. He's ready to go, though.
Right off the chops. St. Clair makes the save, however. DeRosa, part of a bit of a rotation that Coach Stropski's gone with this year. The right side of that back line. Two-man game. Daniele Proke back to assist, but it's Donovan Pines instead. One of 3 Maryland Terrapins in program history to be all Big Ten for 3 years. Now, of course, the history of Maryland in the Big Ten is shorter than that of the ACC, but nonetheless, highly successful career for the 6'5" defender.
Yeah, and he's going to have an opportunity at the next level. Turnover here.
Rayan with a head of steam. Bergman was back there. The flag goes up and the whistle blows.
Yeah, there's a bit of a late whistle on that. Lisa Rayan had taken about 15 yards of space and was going at full speed before the referee blew his whistle.
Pines on the ball again, all freshman team his first year. Second team, all Big Ten his sophomore year, and now a first teamer in his 3rd year on campus. Andrew Samuels lays it back to St. Clair. Win in the air for Aiden Stanley. And now Jack Doran looking for and finding Rayan, who's trying to turn on Johannes Bergman.
Great recovery there. Chase Gaspar got back. Because Johannes Bergman, that's a tough match.
And Jerome Boger in on the consultation.
Please reset the play clock to 10 seconds. The officials thought that New York was calling a timeout, but they were just doing hand signals. No timeout on the play. 2nd down.
Well, the officials mistakenly thought the New York Jets were calling a timeout. They did not. So it's 2nd and 9. Mountain with lots of time, now throws it over the middle and across the 25, about the 27-yard line to Malcolm Johnson out of the backfield. David Harris and Calvin Pace making the tackle, which brings us to 3rd and 2. So we come up on 8:45 to play in the first.
Well, and with the defensive front that the Jets have, they have the luxury sometimes only rushing 3 defenders and dropping guys into coverage. That time, Josh McCown had plenty of time to scan the field, looking sideline to sideline before hitting his check down to put this into a much more manageable 3rd down.
Kind of surprising that Josh McCown is getting the time that he's getting.
It has been, you know, and that's where right now when you're only rushing that many people, the offensive line for Cleveland is holding up.
Play clock down to 2, down to 1. They got the snap off, and McCown throws sideline, and it is complete, and out of bounds close to the 40-yard line is Taylor Gabriel for a 1st down.
Well, that time the Jets decided to bring pressure and lock down in man-to-man coverage in the backfield. Taylor Gabriel, young receiver, they said they weren't going to shy away from Revis. Josh McCown said if we have to take our chances, we will. You can see there Gabriel with a very good route, setting up Revis with that inside move out of the slot, taking it to the boundary with an accurate throw, picking up the 1st down.
1st down, Cleveland at the Browns' 40-yard line. This is Crowell. Crowell out of bounds, pick up of about 3. We'll make it 2nd and 7. Hey, never miss a moment of football action with the CBS Sports app. Every play, every story, and